Welcome back to one more useful and interesting video. In this video, I am going to talk about West Bengal Post-Matric Scholarship. First of all, talking about the benefit of that scholarship. General course students in class 11th and 12th, 4-day scholar, admission fee and tuition fee rupees 7,700, maintenance allowance rupees 2,500. For hostelers, admission fee and tuition fee rupees 7,700. Maintenance allowance 4,200 rupees. Technical and vocational course students in class 11th and 12th, 4-day scholar, admission fee and tuition fee 11,000 rupees, maintenance allowance 2,500 rupees. For hostelers, admission fee and tuition fee 11,000 rupees, maintenance allowance 4,200 rupees. Undergraduate and postgraduate students, 4-day scholar, admission fee and tuition fee 3,300 rupees, maintenance allowance 3,300 rupees. For hostelers, admission fee and tuition fee 3,300 rupees, maintenance allowance 6,300 rupees. And now for MPhil and PhD students, 4-day scholar, admission fee and tuition fee rupees 3,300 rupees, maintenance allowance 6,000 rupees. For hostelers, admission fee and tuition fee 3,300 rupees, maintenance allowance 13,200 rupees. Now talking about the program, West Bengal Minorities Development and Finance Corporation invites application for West Bengal Post-Matric Scholarship from minority students of West Bengal studying in class 11th to PhD. The scholarship aims to encourage financially deprived and meritorious students to pursue higher studies. Now talking about the eligibility criteria of West Bengal Post-Matric Scholarship. To be eligible, an applicant must be a domicile of West Bengal, be studying in a school or institution which is affiliated with a council or educational board or university of state or central government, have scored at least 50% marks or equivalent in the last qualifying exam, have a family annual income of not more than rupees 2 lakh per annum, belong to the minority section of West Bengal. Please note that students pursuing their studies in institutes outside West Bengal are not eligible for this scholarship. Now talking about the documents required while applying for that scholarship. The applicants need to provide the photocopy of bank passbook containing the bank account number and IFSC code while submitting the hard copy of the completed application form. Now talking about how can you apply. Go to the official website, click on a new registration, select the district where the applicant's institute is situated and click on proceed. Fill in the required details under student information and scheme eligibility section. Click on submit and proceed. Note down the user ID as displayed on the screen. Log in using the registered user ID and password. Fill all the required information under basic information, academic information, bank account details, and then verify and lock the application. Print and submit the application form along with the required documents to the concerned institute. Now talking about the important date related to that scholarship. Application start date 1st of August 2020, application deadline 15th of February 2021. And at last talking about some of the terms and conditions of that scholarship. Scholarship amount will be credited to the student's bank account through the direct benefit transfer, that is DBT mode. Maintenance allowance will be provided for only 10 months in an academic calendar. Students applying for this scholarship should fulfill the attendance criteria of the institute in which they are enrolled.